Hello friends, let us solve a problem based on rectangular footing. Uh, First understand the given question. So what is the given data? Calculate the intensity of stress at point P. Okay, as shown in the figure. Okay, I think I can able to see the rectangular footing having size 2 meter by 4 meter and point P is located at a distance of 1 meter and 2 meter. So indirectly P is nothing but its easy point, right? At a depth of 5 meter due to a load of 8 kilonewton per meter square over the footing area 2 meter by 4 meter. And they have given you some constants k value depending upon the m value and n value. Here I think mistakenly I have written n, but because of m value and n value. So let us recall about the how to find the rectangular loaded area. So if there is a rectangular loaded area, then how to find out stress at any one corner? If you remember, stress at any one corner, how we have found out it? Or in the last video, what is the equation? We have to find out by k into q. What is mean by k? It depends on m comma n. M will be equal to L by z, n will be equal to b by z. Depending upon the m value and n value, we'll get in some constant k if you multiply with the load intensity. So we will get this stress under any one corner. But if you see in the present question, are they asking directly below any one corner of the footing? Are they asking here, here, here and here? No, right? What they're asking? They're asking in between the loaded area. Then how do we have to find out? If they're asking directly below of it, okay, we are very happy. M value we can find out, N value we can find out. Then we can say, but where they are asking? They are asking at the CZ point. In that case, how can I find out? So I'll divide this entire rectangle area into number of rectangles. Imagine this is one rectangle area. This is another rectangular area, another rectangle, another rectangle. So how many rectangles we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose if I talk about this point, let us see if I talk about stress at the point, that will be equal to, because of rectangular area 1, stress at that point because of rectangular area 2, stress at that point because of rectangular area 3, stress at that point because of rectangular area 4. That means this point is the corner for all these 4 rectangles. That's why stress because of the all these 4 rectangles, if we add this, that will be our stress at the corresponding point P. So what is the equation? K into Q. For that, what you have to find? Q is same. How much? 8, I don't remember the value. How much it is given? 8 kilonewton per meter square. But what we have to find out? K value. For finding K, what we have to find out? M and N. So what about M here? What about the side? If this total is 2 meter, this is 1 meter, this is also 1 meter, here also it is 1 meter, here also it is 1 meter. What about along the depth? 2 meter, 2 meter, here also 2 meter, and here also 2 meter. So what about the rectangle? Either consider rectangle 1, 2, 3, and 4. What about your length value? That will be equal to 2 meter. What about your width? That will be equal to 1 meter. From this, what about your m value? M value is nothing but that will be equal to L divided by Z. L is given as 2. At how much depth you are finding? 5. If you solve this, how much you are getting? 0.4. N value that will be equal to B by Z, that will be equal to 1 divided by 5, that will be equal to 0.2. So for M equal to 0.4, N equal to 0.2, what is the K value? M equal to 0.4, N equal to 0.2, what is the K value? 0.0328. So for this K will be equal to 0.0328. That's it. Stress at point, that will be equal to, it is same for all the 4 rectangles. That's what I'll do. 4 into sigma z1, sigma z2, whatever you consider, doesn't matter. That will be equal to 4 into what is the K value? 0.0328 into what is the intensity? 8. So if you solve this, stress at the given point P, that will be equal to, you will get it as 0.262 kilonewton per meter square. Sorry, not exactly 0.262. If you solve this, you will get it as 1.05. 1.05 kilonewton per meter square. So here, you know what, where the people will commit the mistake. Okay, they will think that, okay, we have to find out under the rectangular area, and what they will think, they will remember the formula like this. Okay, Q into K into Q. What is the K value? L by Z and B by Z. Whatever the length of 4. 4 divided by 5, how much? 0.8. 2 divided by 5, how much? 0.4. What they will do? Okay, 0.8 into 0.4, and whatever what they will take? 0.067. But is it the correct answer? No. Why? Because if it is a rectangular loaded area, by using K into Q, you can find out only under any one corner. If they given point under any one corner, okay, that's what we'll do. But before solving the problem, we have to see where they're asking us to find. They are not asking us to find at the corner. They are asking in between the point. So if they are asking in between the point, we have to divide the entire area into number of rectangles. So the total stress at that point will be equal to summation of stress due to each rectangle. So that's why here it will be 1 by 5, 2 by 5. That will be equal to 0.4 and 0.2. Corresponding to 0.4 and 0.2, what about the K value? 0.0328. So before finding the stress, make sure that at which point you have to find out. If it is not at the corner, divide the entire area into a number of rectangles, and then corresponding to the divided rectangle, find out the m value and n value. Okay, don't find out taking by whole area. Oh, this is where the common mistake students will do in the exam. Okay, thank you.